The tyre pressure monitoring system helps the driver to keep full track of tyre pressures. That is done via sensors that are attached to the wheels. 30 seconds after starting the engine, the pressure levels show up in the display. They can be consulted in the TPM menu. In that TPM menu, you can scroll between the TPM overview, the TPM axle view, and the TPM battery status, showing the remaining battery level of the wheel sensors. In case of loss of pressure in a tyre, a message will appear in the display. In this example, there is a fast leakage in the left front tyre of the tractor. The pressure in the tyre has dropped to 2.9 bar and the tyre is replaced. Never forget to remove the pressure sensors from the flat tyre and remount them on the new tyre. It takes 6 minutes before the pressure of the new tyre appears in the display. The TPM system does not give info on wear of tyres. Drivers should therefore always check the tyres during the daily check. That reduces the risk for unplanned stops. As the left front tyre is new, the right front tyre should now be replaced as well. There is not enough thread left on the rear axle tyres either, so they are replaced too. Once again, don't forget to remove the sensors and remount them on the new tyres. Wait with connecting the sensor to the valve of the tyre. That should be done in the right order, following instructions in the display. The sensor on the left front tyre was already connected and can stay like that. To start connecting the sensors of the new tyres in the right order, the driver enters the Settings menu, goes to TPM, and then chooses Sensor Position. The front left tyre is blinking in the display, telling the driver to connect that sensor first. As the sensor on the front left tyre already has been connected, the driver can simply confirm using the buttons on the steering wheel. The driver display now indicates which sensor to connect next. When the sensor has successfully been connected to the valve, the direction indicators will blink 8 times to confirm that. Once all sensors are connected, the TPM system is ready for usage again.